It's your boy J Links, yeah. Yo, Lost.
We're taking over.
Live life, feel nice. Live life, feel nice. Live life, feel nice.
Listen me. I'm gonna edit out this song. Lil Wayne. She like her, whatever, long Lil Wayne. I don't remember the song. But the last time I posted a video from the rafting people them, they strike me video and my views went tanking. But me gonna chance it this time because it's not from the rafting people them. This is actually a video of a tourist. So tourists, if you should ever see this video, do not strike me. You can email me. Oh, see the English accent come in. You can email me. Do not strike me. I'm my best friend I call while me I do video. Best friend the soul link back. But you see, me tell us say old women, middle age, young girl, young girl, no underage though. They go to Jamaica for the Island Bamboo. Okay. That's why I say my woman can go rafting. If she wanna go, I'm going with her. And the guy can do the rafting, I can do the massaging. He just give me the stuff. Yeah, man. Anyways, big up the rafting people. Them glad to say place open back. Yo, literally a month after the rafting people them strike me, Hurricane Melissa come and mash up the whole rafting people place.
You see, as a woman with high sex drive, as in white liver, don't come to Jamaica. You will walk down the hill and then you just see a random man walking without shirt. Him muscle him shine in the moonlight, sweating, nice hair. And it's just a walk, so and I look, I'm a pum pum talk for yourself. I can't manage. I never say nothing. But just pause. My pum pum jump. She talk for herself like, yo, look on that Muslim man. Wow.
Hey, me a Jamaican. Me not admire man. But if me go to Sav right now, if I go to Sav right now and I'm walking down the street and I see 100 men, which me I usually see, I'm gonna see not one man, I can guarantee you I'm not gonna see no Muslim man. Every Jamaican man maga. So whisper she's sexy man of Jamaica. She just like the black. She like the chocolate man. I tell you now, the tourists here, they come to Jamaica for the sun and they end up get their skin burned. Island Bamboo. Anyways, here's the whitey.
I'm on fire. Turn this music higher up. I live the time of my life. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink and party all night. This gonna go down. This gonna go down crazy. No regrets, I'm living my life.
So the music that's playing is Girl Flex. Time for have sex. Look how long you have the rude boy Mad Cabra. I chat about Mad Cabra 2 days ago. I posted him on Ninja Man Clash. And it was the same day that video was posted. I saw an article pop up where Mad Cabra must have court fee cocaine charges or something like that. Jaja. You see? I don't know who need to hear this. You see, when you're making money, save your money. You never know what life have in store for you. Sometimes life have some good stuff in store, sometimes you have bad. Sometimes you're riding on a high horse, and guess what? They can't always fall off of the high horse. So always have something put up somewhere for the rainy days where your granny always talk about. Because Cabra not supposed to there sell no sitting there. Coco. I remember say I see anything read Buju, you know. Not never they are going for Buju, you know. And then Buju get entangled in the cocaine business and then he go to prison. And then when Buju come back from prison, that's when Buju become big again. Because Buju carry the flap out, let's be honest. So I'm saying that to say this. Young man, young woman, work and save something. Yeah man, no squander it. Anyways, we hope you enjoy them foreign people here. You see me? Tourists, Jamaica is open again Forward, man, forward. Forward on the British pound, English pound, Canadian dollars, US dollars, Cayman dollar, Euro dollar, everything forward. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. God bless.